Lesson 2. Let's get to know the platform. MetaTrader is an advanced trading platform which is highly preferred by professionals as well as amateurs. Let's make a basic presentation of the platform before continuing our courses. As in every desktop program, the main menu is placed on the top corner of the menu bar and includes all the commands. This field includes all the commands that can be found in the main menu as a shortcut. You can access to the main commands from these buttons with just one click, so there will be no need to use the main menu for these commands. You can track the investment instrument prices from the Market Watch menu. This field is your workspace. You'll be able to make technical analysis by opening up price charts. Please don't worry because you'll be able to learn the basics of technical analysis after the whole course is completed. At your first login to the platform, there will be sample investment instruments in this field, but we can easily customize these settings by adding or removing investment instruments. We will learn how to customize this field in the next courses. The navigation pane is used to switch between accounts if we have more than one. Besides, this field is also used to add technical analysis tools and experts to the price chart. A novice trader will not need to use this pane for now. The terminal window at the bottom displays our account info, current balance, open and pending positions. There are several tabs in this field. To track all those things mentioned before, we have to click on the Trade tab. You've already done this in the previous section. Please check it. If you're not inside this tab, please click on it. Now please move to the next lesson.